friends, this is Gautam Adarsh. Today, let's start number system of mathematics for NTSC 2021. Okay. Now let's see the number system, which is one of the important topic of mathematics. Okay. Now number system, the system of numbers which we read and write and use in daily life is known as number system. It mainly consists of numbers. Okay, numbers. It mainly consists of number. Okay, in India we are using a special system of numbers which we call Hindu-Arabic system. Hindu-Arabic system of numbers, in which 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called as digits. Okay, and the place value, the values according to the place in the number system will be ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, and so on. Okay, this is the system of Hindu-Arabic system. Commas at the place after every period. Okay, this is called as Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, now let's find the face value and place value. Face value of a number is nothing but the number itself. Suppose the face value of 5 is 5 only, 4 is 4, 3 is 3 only, 2 is 2 only. Okay, place value, when coming to place value, it is dependent on the place. Okay, suppose in a number 532, the place value of 5 is 5 into its place. Its place is ones, tens, 100. 5 is in the place of 100. So 5 into 100, that is 500 will be the place value according to its place. Okay, if what is the place value of 3, then it is 3 into 10. Why 10? Because it is in the place of tens. So 3 into 10, 30. Okay, that will be the place values. Next, types of numbers. I will be explaining these types of numbers with only one Venn diagram. Okay, types of numbers in one Venn diagram. Okay, this all one is known as real numbers. This is irrational numbers. Okay, irrational numbers. They are root 2, root 3, etc. Okay, and another one is rational numbers, which we call as which are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. P by q form numbers. Okay, in that rational numbers we have another type of numbers called as integers, which are positives plus negatives. Okay, positive plus negative numbers we call as integers. Then again whole numbers. Okay, which is denoted by W. Integer is denoted by Z or I. Rational number is Q. Irrational number is Q dash, and real number is R. Okay, whole numbers which are 0, 1, 2, so on, and natural numbers which is denoted by N, 1, 2, 3. Okay, whole number is nothing but including natural 0 with natural numbers. Integers is nothing but including negatives with whole numbers. Rational numbers is nothing but all these which are in the form of p by q. Irrational numbers are nothing but which are not in the form of p by q. Real numbers is nothing but irrational numbers plus rational numbers. This is types of numbers. Okay, now first, then also we have another types, even and odd. Even and odd numbers. Okay, even and odd numbers. Even numbers are nothing but the numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, okay, etc. If and for easy determination, for determining easily which is even which is odd, you use if the ending of a number, if the ones place is one of these 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, if the ones place of a number is 0, 2, 4 or 6 or 8, then it is an even number. Suppose you take 5, 3, 6, 8. The ones digit is 8, so it is even number. If 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are not there, then it is odd number. Suppose 5, 3, 6, 7. 7 which is not in this set. So it is an odd number. This is an even, this is an odd number. Okay. Next we have prime numbers, composite numbers and co-primes. Okay. First, primes. Prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are nothing but the numbers which have only two factors. Factors are nothing but, suppose there is a number 15. If we divide it with 3, we will get the remainder 0. If we get the remainder 0, then 3 is called as factor of 15. 3 is called as factor of 15. 1 is factor of every number. Okay. 1 is factor of every number. Because 15 by 1, always we get 15. 15 by 3, we get 5. Which is a rational number. Not rational number, it is completely divisible. It is not in the points. So it is called as prime number. When we divide any number with 1, we get correct number without any decimal values or anything, or percentages. Okay. That is now if a number have only two factors, 1 and itself. See, every number has compulsory two factors. There is no number without two factors. That is, one is itself. That is, every number is factor of itself, and one will be factor of every number. Okay. Then we call it as, if only there are two factors, one and itself, then it is called as prime numbers. Composite numbers are nothing but the numbers with more than two factors. That is, more than one and itself factors. Okay. That is called as composite number. Co-primes. If, see, the numbers need not to be prime numbers. Okay. If the difference between two numbers, let's suppose you take 5 minus 3, it will be 2. So these 5 and 3 are called as co-prime set. Okay. These are co-primes. See here, 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. Here there is no need of being primes, but these two also called as co-prime sets. We call this as relative primes also. Okay, we call this as relative primes also. Then we have integers. Okay, integers, rational and irrational numbers, and real numbers. Okay, integers. Integers are nothing but which is denoted by Z or I. Mainly we use Z only. Integers are the, let's write the definition of integers. All numbers along with negative numbers are known as integers. Okay. The numbers, all numbers along with negative numbers are known as integers. Combining this whole set, we call it as integers. Now Z is denoted as so 1, 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, it don't have two ends. It don't have any ends. Okay, this is for now. In coming video, we are going to discuss rational and irrational numbers, how to determine, how to change the rational number or points, okay, decimal value, terminating and non-terminating decimal into rational number. Okay, thank you a lot.